So in today's video, I'm going to be listing out whitening body lotions you should try out this season. For these lotions are not your regular lotions. Some of them I have talked about, majority I haven't talked about them. Some I have recommended and some I haven't. But the essence for this video is just to show you guys whitening body lotions, safe whitening body lotions you should try out that will really work for you. Okay, I made a post sometime last week. I'm asking you people to tell me what you want to see. Some people say brightening body lotions, other people say whitening body lotions. So the brightening body lotion video, I have already filmed it, and I think a lot of you must have seen that video. So if you've not seen the video where I talked about brightening body lotion, with lotions you basically just need to brighten up your skin, please check down my other video. You're definitely going to find, I think the last video or the second to the last video, something like that. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be listing whitening body lotions you should try out this season. This is the ember month, right? And a lot of people wants to travel home, you know, and because of this reason a whole lot of people wants to kind of lighten up their skin. I get that part. Even it happens to me most times. Sometimes I feel like I'm getting too dark, so let me just do something. I want to travel, I need to lush, I need to look hot and beautiful.
Hold me close till I get up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? This is Sunita here, a Nigerian YouTuber, obviously based in Nigeria. I film about skincare videos and everything relating to beauty. So if this is your first time coming across my channel or my face, know that I love you and you're highly welcome. Please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell icon. That way you get notifications as to whenever I drop a new video. Okay, so yeah, like I said, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about lightening or whitening body lotions you should try out. They are very safe, hydroquinone free. They're not going to make you look bleachy and all of that. Okay, now first of all, I want to tell you a tip on how to actually lighten up your skin or whiten up your skin without you spoiling or destroying your skin in the process. First off, when you're using whitening products, if you are specifically whitening cream, because we have brightening creams, we have lightening creams, we have whitening creams. So if you are going for whitening creams, please endeavor to use a shower gel that contains moisturizing properties, more of hydration, moisturizing and brightening. Okay, I know those are leave-on products, that most times it's advisable to use whitening shower gels as opposed to the whitening creams. But since we're talking about whitening creams in this video, I will advise that if you're going for any of the whitening creams I'll be listing, you know, try to use any brightening or moisturizing shower gel. That way it retains moisture, locks in moisture on your skin. Second thing you need to do when intending to whiten up your skin furthermore, I'm talking for people who are looking out to get like 2 to 3 shades lighter than their actual skin tone. Okay, in order for you to be safe, they use a scrub. If you cannot use the physical exfoliant, I will advise you use the chemical exfoliant. Now, physical exfoliants are the regular body scrubs that we all know. So if you're going for the physical exfoliant, please go for sugar scrub, okay? Because sugar scrubs are very nice as opposed to salt. Salt scrub tends to irritate your skin, to give you strawberry skin, you know, like it just gives you this burning sensation, especially for people with sensitive skin. Now, why I talk about sugar scrub a whole lot on this channel is because I feel for some reason, since I have a problematic skin and stuff that do not work for me, I try to, you know, tailor my reviews to people with my kind of skin type. No salt scrub really exfoliates in depth, but for people with stubborn skin, tough skin, for people with sensitive skin, maybe you have a normal to sensitive skin, or you have, you know, oily skin, you don't need salt scrub because it will irritate your skin. Now, your shower gel can also contain exfoliating properties, okay, because there are shower gels that are basically for exfoliation. You know, a lot of people would say, how does it exfoliate the skin? How? Yeah, it does exfoliate the skin because they were formulated with chemical exfoliants as opposed to the physical exfoliant. You can actually decide to exfoliate your skin 3 times a week, but for starters, I would say exfoliate twice a week. And we all know that exfoliating the skin is a very nice thing to do. It's going to, you know, clean your skin in depth, remove the dirt on the top layer of the skin, leaving it open and getting it ready for any skincare product you apply to penetrate deeply. The third thing you need to do when lightening up your skin or when using whitening product is don't use your whitening product during the day. I know majority of the whitening products I'll be listing, your whitening creams I'll be listing, as contains sunscreen, which makes it really safe for the day. But then again, personally, I will advise, if you know you will be staying under the sun, like really under the sun, there are people who go to school, other people just, you know, they just go about their day, market runs and all of that, school runs, and you go into like be under the scorching sun for like an hour or two. There's difference between going out to get something and coming back and then going to, you know, run errands under the sun, which is why they incorporated or infused sunscreens into these body creams. Okay, out of the way, this is basically how to actually lighten up your skin. Like, use your lightening creams at night as opposed to morning. That way it makes it more safe for you to use them for a very long time. So in order to avoid reverse effects, please use your lightening creams or whitening creams at night. Okay, now that of the way, the very first lotion I would highly recommend for people who wants to whiten up the skin in this season is the Extreme Brightening and Skin Radiant Body Lotion. This lotion is one amazing lotion. I think I recommended this lotion 4 days ago. I have not gotten the feedback yet, but I'm going to give you guys an update when I get the feedback. This helps to lighten the skin, remove dark spot, wrinkles, discoloration, and also fade away stretch marks. So it is actually good for people with pigmentation on the skin. Then when I say they contain sunscreen, this is exactly what I mean. This lotion also helps to protect you against the UV rays of the sun, which means it has SPF that will help protect you from the UV rays or the harmful UV rays of the sun, like free radicals and all of that. Okay, now the second body lotion I have on my list that is super amazing, super nice, that I highly recommend is Pretty Woman body lotion. This one is one amazing lotion. Like, it is not out there all over like that, but trust me when I say the lotion is superb. It is amazing. Like, all of these lotions, if I want to talk about them individually, you guys were going to remember, but best believe that these lotions are lotions that will leave people complimenting your skin tone. Now the next one on my list is your Community body lotion. Your Community body lotion is one amazing lotion too that is superb, that will also leave people complimenting your skin tone. It will lighten up your skin effortlessly, remove dark spot, wrinkles, discoloration, dark patches, dark feet, dark knuckles, and dark elbows. This lotion is a lotion that you can use morning and night, even though I recommend that you use your whitening lotions only at night. Okay, yeah, but it's a lotion. In fact, all of these lotions are lotions you can just use during the day and you have nothing to worry about. But again, if you know you're going to be staying under the sun for more than an hour, please try as much as you can to avoid using your lotions during the day. Rather use them at night as opposed to the daytime. Okay, now the very next one is Extract Papaya body lotion. Extract Papaya body lotion is an amazing lotion as well, but for some reasons a lot of people tend to, you know, talk down on the cream. Like, I feel like people are not talking about this lotion as much, but the lotion is amazing. It's very nice. For people with stubborn skin, I don't advise, because this is not that one strong whitening cream, but it does whiten the skin. If you have a stubborn skin, your feet are going to be dark, you know. So if you want this lotion to work effortlessly, use it with the you know, tablet soap, which is the extract. Do not forget we have the foreign one and the Nigerian one. I always tell people the fact that they said the Nigerian one, that one is not, it does not make it less effective. It's super effective for people with tough skin, so which is why they formulated that one. So if you know you have tough skin and you're looking out to use extract brand or product, use the Nigerian one, because that will help you like cleanse your skin in depth. Extract Papaya body lotion is made up with vitamin C extract, and papaya extract, and all of that ingredients that will help lighten up your skin. But the base ingredient here is the papaya extract, which softly lightens the skin, whitens the skin, and gives you this lotion. According to them, they say it whitens it in 7 days, but that's not true. Okay, it gives you this whitening effect from 14 days and above, but you're definitely going to see maximum effect that you're using something different. So yeah, Extract Papaya body lotion is one amazing. And then one thing I love about it is the accessibility, the affordability. It comes in different sizes. Like they are very, these people, when I say they are deliberate, I feel like I sound more like a bookmaker, but they are very deliberate. They come in 3 different sizes: the big one, the medium, and the smaller size. Proud at this time, the smaller size was selling for as low as 800 naira in Nigerian naira. Okay, and you can convert that into your you know, your country currency. I think if I want to convert it in dollar, it should be around $1.50, or let's just say because a dollar now is about 900 to 1,000, so I think I should just say $1.50 prior to this time. But right now, I think the last time I saw it selling for 1,000 something and above. So now again, prices will always vary based on location, so do not expect to get it at the same exact amount I have listed here, because your area, your location, and where you get your skincare products from makes all the difference. Play a long role as to how much you're going to get your skincare product. The fifth body lotion I have here is the Cereal White Gold Cream. This is also good for dark spot, acne scars, discoloration, wrinkles, aged skin, and it doesn't have any form of side effects, and if your skin is saggy, this particular lotion will help do the magic for you. Okay, super active. Now it's very very active. Any body lotion that is targeted to cleanse dark knuckles, dark feet, dark ankles, and or dark spots, just know that it is infused, or this lotion has been formulated with whitening properties to help whiten up the toughest areas of the skin. So which is why you need to put it into consideration when using these lotions. Like when I say put it into consideration, try to use them at night, please. It is that important. Last time I told you guys that most times I go with jeggings. My niece that stays with me uses jeggings, okay, because it was a particular lotion I bought for her, and I feel like to an extent it's whitening her way too much, and she's not light skin. She's just brown skin girl. So I bought her jeggings. So most times I use the jeggings on my skin. Other times I use oil. So I don't have one specific thing that I'm using on my skin, but to not be like me, if you can follow a skincare routine that works for you, or you already have a skincare routine that works for you, then by all means continue whatever it is you're using, because it's not every video I film that is for everybody. It's for people that actually need something like this. Okay, cereal wise, it's very very nice. It does not have any side effects, so you can actually try buying that. Now the reason why I'll always list them in their number is because in case you cannot find one, you can obviously find the other, and then their price is also varies. That is why I tend to like list the lotions in their numbers. Okay, so forgive me if I'm not giving you detailed review about each of them. That's because I don't want to stretch this video way too much. Now the sixth one on my list is the glutathione injection body lotion. This particular lotion is nice. I have it. In case you want it, let me know. I'm going to ship it to you. I'm going to send it to you. Like I don't know you, but you pay for your delivery. I have it. Okay, in case for anybody that wants to buy, I bought it, and to an extent I feel like it's going to whiten you way too much. So if you want it, I'm going to give sell it to you. I'm not dashing, please. I'm going to sell it to you, but more affordable, because as I'm talking to you right now, Glutathione Terminal White Injection Cream selling for 18,000, 16,000. Other places you can get it for 15,000. So that depends on where you're getting it from. If you see the one of 8,000, know that it's not original, and make sure you invest in the original one. Glutathione Terminal White is made with a whole lots of injections that will help whiten up your skin. This lotion is one of the lotions that will whiten you in 7 days. Now the trick about using Glutathione Terminal White for you to get a very flawless skin without it leaving green veins, stretch marks, or anything like that, is that you use it with a whole lot of oils. Use your oils in the morning. Don't use a whitening shower gel or whitening soap. Use moisturizers like moisturizing shower gel like Dove. We have the palm olive. We have a whole lot of shower gels that would do the trick of moisture for you. So use those shower gels. Then you can also use your brightening or your moisturizing lotion during the day, and then at night you can go in with your glutathione terminal white. If not, this lotion will whiten you way too much. So you want to take it a step at a time. As at the time I was using it, it got to a point where I started using it 3 times a week. That is how effective this particular lotion is. So if you want it to work effectively without leaving people asking you questions like this cream is not good on you or something like that, try as much as you can to use your head, while use it with sense. Okay, when I say use your head, it means that you should use it with sense. Use whitening lotions with sense, especially glutathione injection terminal white. It is advisable you use it with sense. Now there was somebody that asked me about the carrot one. The carrot one is also good. I have not used it. I have not bought for somebody. I've not recommended for somebody, but it's actually good because it's made with carrot. Also, like, it has carrot extracts and injections and all of that. But I've not used it. I've not used the blue one because it just comes in 3 variants. The ones that I have used and I've recommended is the one that comes in the black. I feel like that one is much more active than every other one. So if you've used any of the other 2, let us know down in the comment section, and let us also know your experience with it. Okay, so glutathione also has their tablets that if you want to lighten up your skin, you want to whiten up your skin, you can also buy their tablets or their injection. You get injected, or their drip. It has their drip, it has their injection. Now this particular lotion has the drip in it and also their injection, so it is super active. Okay, now the other one I highly recommend is the Indian Afghans body lotion. Indian Afghans body lotion is also very nice for people who are looking out to whiten up their skin. It's very effective. I think it comes in a 400 ml bottle, and yeah, it's very effective. It's good for anti-aging, acne scars, stretch marks. It also has SPF, so that's one thing I love it for. I think the only lotion that does not have SPF here is the glutathione. I don't know if I can't remember if they have SPF, but yeah, Indian Afghans whitening body lotion comes with SPF that will help protect you from the UV rays of the sun. So you see that sunscreens are very, very important. Okay, sunscreens are important. So when using whitening creams, do not omit sunscreens. 8 whitening body lotion I highly recommend, of course, is the QEI, but for some reasons I don't feel like QEI will whiten you as much as you expect. But if you want QEI is also good. For those that has the money, you can afford to get it with the serum as well as the bathing soap, like going to see like very sweet yellowish on the skin tone for people that has the money. Okay, so yeah, number 9 lotion on my list that is super whitening is blemish care. Blemish care is also good. I will not omit it, of course. So if you don't want to use the body lotion, you can as well just go for the shower gel. The shower gel is amazing. Only the shower gel will just do the trick for you. Okay, now another lotion that is highly recommended here, that is super affordable as well, is the Egyptian Secret. Egyptian Secret is also good. The gold one is very good. In 7 days to 14 days, you're definitely going to start seeing results, and it's for face and body. But I wouldn't advise you use it for face and body. Any whitening cream that is formulated for the skin, don't use it on the face. Disregard the face and body thingy. But yeah, there are other lotions, body lotions, that can be used for body and face, but not these particular ones I'm listing, even though majority of them says face and body. Okay, yeah, it's not like if you use them on the face it's going to give you a reverse effect, but for some reasons I don't advise. Okay, so yeah, that will be all for my top 10 whitening body lotions you should try out this season. I hope this video helps you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. I'll definitely see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.